Okay, so I'm gonna turn the heat off of this and get this out of the way. I'm gonna move my barbecue sauce over on the grill for a few minutes. Keep that warm, get this out of the way. I'm going to toss a salad to serve with this chicken dish. Just simple greens, oil, vinegar, salt and pepper. One of my favorite ways of eating salads. I love dandelion greens, arugula, whatever you think. So we'll get that in there. Add a touch of oil, a little bit of vinegar. Balsamic is my favorite. I don't have any here, but I will, just to mirror the flavor of the barbecue sauce, add a little bit of the apple cider vinegar. A nice portion of salt, a little bit of pepper, and really that's it. It's the way I eat most of my salads nowadays. It's just the oil dressing, oil and vinegar dressing. We're gonna toss that up, get that all nicely coated. We're gonna plate it with the chicken, top it with a little bit more barbecue sauce, and then we are set. Here we go. Get this out of the way. I love salads. There we go. Perfect. Let's put a couple of raspberries on top to mirror the barbecue sauce as well. And our chicken. Got a nice amount of barbecue sauce on my chicken. Let's put a little bit more before I put it on my plate. And my friends, it's as simple as that. Raspberries, great for your immune system, contains antioxidants. It is great if you're trying to get pregnant, which I am not, thank you very much. And the barbecue sauce looks amazing. Go online to our online website for more information on this recipe and suggestions on how you can put it into other meals. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do.